Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas Daily. In today's episode, we will explore the powerful method Pandas offers to help us understand and gain insight from our data. We will cover essential techniques like head, tail, shape, info and describe. So let's get started. So first we will see the head and tail. So let me run this data frame and let me show you the data frame. So we have name, age, gender, income and birthday. So we have this 5 rows here. So if we wanted to see the top rows, so for example if we wanted to see the top rows, we can see the df.head. If we wanted to see, for example, a particular rows like 1 rows or 2 rows, then we can use df.head and then we will provide the argument to 2. Our next method will be df.tail. It will display the bottom rows. So if, for example, if we wanted to see the bottom 2 rows, so we can use df.tail and the argument will be 2. Now coming to the next method, df.shape. It will give the number of rows and dimensions. So if we will run this, so you can see 5 and 5, so 5 rows and 5 dimension here. Then info method will provide the detailed information about the data frame, including data types, memory usage. So if you can see here, these are the data type which it is providing us, and the memory usage, what are the memory usage it is taking, and if there is null values or not. Then another method is describe. It will provide the summary statistic for numerical columns such as count, mean, standard deviation, min and max values. So if I will run this, you can see here, then we have so the main important point, it will provide the summary of statistics for numerical columns only. So if you can see, we have only numerical column age and income. So it provided the count, mean, what are the standard deviation, what is the 25%, 75% and the max. So these are all the main function which we can use for getting the insight of our data. I hope you like the video. We will meet you in next video. Thank you.